Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Access Chapter 1 Assignments to Crowdfunding. So open the Access Chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So access chapter 1 assignment to crowdfunding. So click the start. So open the access chapter 1. In access chapter 1 assignment to crowdfunding and Exp19 access chapter 1 host assessment crowdfunding. So click the download the materials and download the all files. So next go to the downloads, open the Word file and open the Access file. So next is open the Access file. So assignment title is Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Host Assessment Crowdfunding. We move to the main project step. So total step is 9. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Access, open the other files and click the browse, navigate to the folder location Exp19 Access Chapter 1 host assessments and click the open, click the file tab and click the save as, Exp19 Chapter 1 host assessments and click the enable editing security warning message bars. Go to the Access file. I have already downloaded the Exp19 Access Chapter 1 host assessment crowdfunding. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is question number 2 is now that you have opened the database, you examine navigation pane object and view to become familiar and fundamentals access feature in the context of this database. So next is open the key supporters and table datasheet view the group home tabs, switch design view and data type is field to the currency and return the view and shutter bars and navigation in the third row of the data faster in the last time and undo the quick accesses in the navigation pane arrow and add the new blank record, add the following to the record in the supporter table. So next is open the key supporter tables, and next is in the datasheet view and switch to the design view. So right click and click the design view and next is ensure that the data type is total price free in the currency and return the datasheet view shutter bars to hide the navigation pane. So total pad, so select the total pad is currency field and datasheet view in the navigation page. Total page is currency, and return the datasheet view. So right click and click the datasheet view and next is datasheet view in the navigation pane in the third row of the data, replace the third row of the data in the replace. So next is third row of the data, replace final with your first time and last time is drawn. So open the Control F, so replace with this Vienna. And next is drop. Drop. And next, and to control Z is the undo. And next is in the navigation pane, click the right arrow in the yellow stripes, add the new blank records, add the following record in the key supporter tables. So next is navigation, click the right arrow in the yellow stripe to add the new, and the yellow stripe to the add the new blank record. So new blank record, add the following record key supporters and key support ID. So copy the record and key support ID, paste and press tab button, and first name is Mitch, press tab button, and last name is again, press tab button, and city is Levi Center. Sorry, last name is again. Copy the first city column, press tab button, and state is KY, press tab button, and zip code, press tab button, and 493 is the total pledge. And next is new record is, so copy and paste the new record, press tab button, and first name is T, copy the first name and paste the first name, press tab button, and next is last name and press tab button, and the city is Levi Centers, press tab button. So copy the state OH, press tab button, and the zip code, and press tab buttons. So next is add the third record is last record, press tab button, and the first name is Tom, the first name and press tab button, and next is last name, press tab button, copy the city, press tab button, and press tab button, and 754, press tab button. So close the key supporter, save the change that you have made the clicking yes and promoters. So right click the save and click close. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, it is equally important ensure that the campaign enter the your database, you update the purchase starters with the information, and campaign the and display the navigation panes and the maintain key supporter form, and the cruiser is the supporter ID field, and find the features to ensure that you are current document matching to any part fields, and click the find next and close the find dialog box, and with your punch start ID is the following, and punch starters table to the new buttons and record, and home tab is punch starters, and category ID, name, launch date, and goal, supporter status, and pledged. next is open navigation pane in the maintain key supporter form. So go to the form and open the main key supporter form, and next is main key supporter form with your cursor is the supporter ID and find the features. So Control F, open the find and replace dialog box and find what is Debian. So find what is Debian and find what is Debian and find what is Debian and ensure that you are looking the current documents in the logins. So next is login is current document, and next is in the current document and matching to any part field, and click the find next, close the find dialog box and matches any part field, and next is click the find and next, finish searching the records and the search was not found, click OK and click the close. So next is with your cursor is the punch start ID field. So punch start ID field. So next is punch start ID fields, and add the following record punch starter table in the view and record group on the home tabs. So add the new button in the record group on the home tabs and the new tabs and the new blank records, and next is punch ID. So copy the record in the punch start ID and press tab button, and category ID. So copy the category ID and press tab button, and name is the book collection. So copy the name and press tab button, and launch date. So press tab button, edit, and next is goal is 5720. So press tab button, and next is supporter. Tab button is supporter, and next is successful. Status is successful, and press tab button. So next is close the maintain key in the form. So right click, save and close the form. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, you are now have been asked double check accuracy of the key supporter table. You open the table, realize that someone who not the supporter is the campaign has edited. You need to delete the pin added. You need to delete the records and open the key supporter table datasheet. You navigate the record and click the selectors to highlight entire